Hi, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Naina Sharma and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate named Arshdeep Kaur, whose candidate number is 111074. Right? Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Arshdeep Kaur.
Okay, how may I address you?
You may call me with my first name, Arsh.
Okay, where are you from?
Basically, I hail from village Raiwal, which is under district Fatehgarh Sahib.
What is your previous qualification?
Well, I recently completed my senior secondary education. Nowadays, I improve my English language skills.
Okay, now let's talk about farming. Okay, have you ever indulged in farming?
Yes, I love to visit farming, and I mostly in my garden I plant some trees, which helps to me relieve from my hectic schedule.
What kind of farm would you like to visit?
I like mostly agricultural farms in which there are many people who cultivate crops. So this kind of farms I mostly like to visit.
Is farming an important occupation in your country?
In my country, most of the people indulge in this in farming because they totally depend on them because from this they can earn money which helps them to fulfill their needs of their family members.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
Definitely in my hometown most of the people do farming. Some people do poultry farming, some do agricultural farming in my hometown.
Do you think nowadays youngsters like to indulge themselves in farming?
Yes, nowadays youngsters do not like to do farming because they think that it is not a best method to earn money. They are more indulged in educational, so they can get good employment opportunities in future and earn their living.
Okay, now this is the end of our part 1. Now for part 2, here it is your cue card. Just a second. Maybe here it is your cue card with bullet points. You have 1 minute to plan your ideas. You can use the notepad and pencil if you want to. Then afterwards you have to speak for 2 minutes on this topic. Okay? Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
To be honest, in my life I do many plans, but almost all the plans are related to my study. But today I would like to talk about the plan which is not related to my study. It was a plan to learn a French language because I think that in future I plan to go abroad, to go Canada. In Canada, most of the parts of this country, most part of the Canada where people spoke French. So I think that it is the best way to communicate with the new friends and make new friends there. So after completed my IELTS exam, I plan to learn this language, and in my hometown I searched many institutes, but no one provide good. I think no, it is not best for to learn a French language. Then my father suggested me that his friend open a new institute to provide education to French students who want to learn French language, and I joined that institute and I completed this course. If I learn this language, so I feel more happy because I can learn. I can only learn know English and Punjabi and Hindi languages. I feel over the moon when I learn this language, and along with this. In Canada, I cannot find any difficulty if I can learn this language.
Okay.
So this is a plan which is I want to, which is not related to my study.
Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. May I take this?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll ask you some more questions on this topic. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having no plans at all?
I think having a lot of plans is more beneficial because when people make plans, they do hard work in order to achieve them. If people do not make any plans, their life become dull and bored because they do not know anything to do in their later life. So it is important to make plans and fulfill them in their life.
Why do most people make plans before they go for travel?
Well, it depends upon their personal thinking. Some people like to make plans before they go for traveling because some people do not remember the things like their luggage and also their things which are later important for traveling. So they make plans first, then they before traveling.
Do you think planning helps us to be prepared for unseen troubles?
Pardon the question, please.
Do you think planning helps us to be prepared for unseen troubles?
Yes, planning helps people a lot. When people make plans earlier, then they follow them in their upcoming life and do all the things according to their plans. So there is no chance to take wrong side if they have a right plans.
Okay. How do individuals feel when their plans do not work out?
Well, in this contemporary era most of the individuals are very aggressive, and if they cannot achieve their goals, goals, then they feel frustrated and also they lose their confidence.
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
Pardon the question, please.
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
I do not think that it is a sign for a poor
Future planning.
future plan, because if they fail in any mode, then they put more efforts so that they can achieve more goals in their upcoming life without thinking about past. They have to think about their future. So if they want to success in their life.
Okay. Now we are done with the speaking test. Thank you so much.
Thank you.